Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to pay CapCut Pro using GCash. So guys, a quick one, open up your CapCut application. And then once you open up your CapCut application, you then wait for it to load. Point to note guys is that nowadays CapCut plays a lot of ads. So as you're using CapCut, be aware that many ads will be coming up, just like this one over here. But you can go ahead and skip it. Alright, so now to pay for CapCut Pro using GCash, you come over here at the homepage of CapCut and then tap on this Pro icon here. Once you tap on that Pro icon, then your CapCut will start loading. And then once it starts loading, you will see over here the kind of payment you want to make. You can make a monthly payment, you can make a yearly payment, and you can also make a 1-year payment and 1-month payment. So guys, as you can see, maybe let's assume you want to pay using choosing the 1-year payment. You choose 1-year payment, and then you come over here and then tap on purchase. So once you tap on purchase, make sure you have the GCash application in your phone. So automatically CapCut will then deduct money from your GCash application in your phone. So if you don't have the GCash application, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and then search for GCash. Once you search for GCash, go ahead and install this application and then register using your name. And simply that's it guys. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. We shall meet